Do you ever wish you could consult the greatest minds of all time? I do, even if it's just for fun. So here's how I can turn an idea like that into reality. Do a quick draft in Figma, nothing fancy, just a basic structure. Give that file to Google Stitch and ask it to design an app. That's a lot of design work for a human, so here's what's really cool about Stitch. It does all that design work extremely fast. It shows exactly what it's doing in real time, and it produces really high quality results, including everything design related you might need. I can easily test different themes, ask it to create multiple variations, and even animate the design. I can make edits myself or just boss around Stitch, asking it to make the changes I want to see. I could add other people to this project, and just like watching Stitch work, I would see what anyone who's on this project is doing in real time, which is super cool. But for now, it's just me and Stitch. So I'm directly asking Stitch to work on specific components or design me a whole new screen. For example, I want to have a group chat with my console. So I asked Stitch to go ahead and design a group chat screen. Once I'm happy with the design, there's a neat preview feature where I can test everything all together. I just need to add all screens and Stitch automatically connects them. And that's it, a complete design for my idea, ready to be exported to whatever build platform I prefer.